Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, or magandang gabi. Welcome sa ating channel, Matuto Dapat. Today, we have to discuss elimination of arbitrary constant using determinants. Again, this is Engineer Eduardo Tapia, your professor today. So, in our previous video about elimination of arbitrary constant by differentiation, so gumagamit din tayo ng same examples, and we try another method, okay, of eliminating arbitrary constant. So in this time, we are using now determinants. Okay? So ibig sabihin gagamit po tayo ng matrix in this example. Okay, example 1, y equals x squared plus bx plus c. So, the same pa rin ang ating pattern kung mayroon po tayong yung ating finding the derivatives ay based on the number of constant. Okay? So, in our example number 1, we have three constant, the a, b, and c. Therefore, we have to find the derivatives up to 3 or up to third degree. Okay? So, we have the solution. We have the given y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So, gagawin natin, we have to equate this into 0. So, transfer natin o transpose natin si y dito sa right side. So, naging negative y. Then, plus the given ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, we have to find the derivative. So, first derivative, so that is negative y prime plus 2ax plus b plus c. Okay, pangalawang derivative, that is 0 equals negative y double prime plus 2a plus 0 plus 0. And we have the third derivative, so that is 0 equals y raised y triple prime. Okay? So, gagamit tayo ng matrix. So, mayroon po tayong apat na columns, apat na row. Okay? Sunod, we have to find the factor. No? Kukuha tayo ng factor para mas simplify natin yung atin pong matrix. So, dito, ang common factor nito ay negative 1. So, dito wala tayong makuha. Ganon din dito sa third column and sa fourth columns. Okay? So, nung na-factor out natin si negative 1, so ito na nagiging labas natin. Alright, so using the rules in determinant, so this the given, tapos copy natin yung tatlong columns. So, the column 1, column 2, column 3. Okay? So, ang ginagawa natin, alam naman natin ang rule ng determinant, finding the determinants. So, going down, ito, times natin. Okay, we have to add the product. No? So, going down ang ating pag-solve. So, y times 2x plus, times 0 times 0, so 0. So, kaya 0. Okay? 0 to. Sunod, x squared times 1. Okay, times 0 times y triple prime. So, 0. Okay? X times 0 times y double prime times 0. So, 0 pa din. Okay, sunod 1 times y prime times 2 times 0. Kaya 0. Okay? Pataas tayo, minus. So, gamit tayo ng minus na operation. So, y triple prime times 2 times 1. So, that is 2y triple prime. Okay, plus 0 times 0, 0 times y. So, that is 0. Okay, 0. Sunod, 0 times 0 times y prime x squared. So, 0 pa rin. So, sunod, 0 times y double prime times 2x times x. So, you have 0. Okay? So, kapag i-simplify natin, so 0 na tong sa kabila. So, we come up negative 2y triple prime equals 0. Now, i-divide natin ng negative 1 half. O multiply natin ng negative 1 half. So we come up y triple prime equals 0. And that is our final answer. No? Ito yung ating sagot ng ating differential equation. Okay? Number 2, y equals 3 c sub 1 minus c sub 2 times e raised to 2x. So dito mayroon tayong dalawang arbitrary constant. So ibig sabihin, mag-come up to tayo ng dalawang derivatives. Okay? So ang given natin, tapos transpose natin si y equating into 0. So 0 equals negative y plus 3x plus 3c sub 1 minus c sub 2 e raised to 2x. Okay, tapos first derivative, so 0 equals negative y prime plus 0 minus 2c sub 2 raised to 2x. Okay, the second derivative, that is 0 equals negative y double prime plus 0 minus 4 times c sub 2 times e raised to 2x. Okay, so ang ating pong matrix, so mayroon tayong tatlong columns. Okay, tapos factor out tayo. So ang factor natin dito sa first column ay negative 1, kaya dito ay y negative prime, y double prime na lang. Okay, negative 1 ang ating factor. Sa second column wala po tayong ma-factor. Ang common factor sa third column ay negative e raised to 2x, kaya naging positive 1, 2, tapos 4. So na-simplify na natin. Next. Okay, so 0 is equal to this. Ngayon kukunin natin yung determinants. So the same process kanina. Okay. So y times 0 times 4, kaya 0. 3 times 2 times y double prime. So that is 6y double prime. 1 times y prime times 0. So 0 minus, okay, double prime, y double prime times 0 times 1, so 0. 0 times 2 times y, that is 0. 4 times negative, 4 times y prime times 3, that is 12y prime equals 0. Okay? So, simplify natin. So, that is 6y double prime minus 12y prime. So, 6y double prime minus 12y prime. Now, multiply natin ng 1 over 6. Okay? So, multiply natin ng 1 over 6 para ma-simplify natin. So, our final answer ay y double prime minus 2y prime equals 0. That is our final answer. Okay, number 3, y equals 3, c sub 1 e raised to negative 4x plus 2 times c sub 2 e raised to 3x. Okay, so ang given natin, tapos equating into 0, so negative 0 equals negative y plus 3 times c sub 1 times e raised to negative 4x minus 2 times c sub 2 raised to times e raised to 3x. Okay, first derivative kasi dalawa ang ating arbitrary constant, so dalawang derivative gagawin natin. So 0 equals negative y prime minus 12 kasi ang ating negative 4x, ang ating derivative ay negative 4. So negative 4 times 3, that is negative 12 c sub 1 times e raised to negative 4x minus 3 times 2, that is 6 c sub 2 times e raised to 3x. Okay, y double prime. So 0 equals negative y double prime plus 48. So 4 times 12. O negative 12 times negative 4. And that is positive 48. C sub 1 times e raised to negative 4x minus 18 c sub 2 times e raised to 3x. Okay? So mayroon tayong tatlong columns. Then we have to factor out. Ang first factor natin sa first column ay negative 1. So negative 1, kaya ang natira natin ay y prime, y double prime. Dito sa pangalawang column, ang common factor natin ay e raised to negative 4x. Okay? And natira dito ay 3, negative 12, 48. Sa third column, ang common factor natin ay negative e raised to 3x. Okay, so kaya natira ay 2, 6, at saka 18. Okay, so again, we have to find the determinants. We have to compute using the determinant rule. So y times negative 12 times 18, so that is negative 216y. Sunod, 3 times 6 times y double prime, that is 18y double prime. 2 times y prime times 48, ay that is positive 96y prime, minus y double prime times 12 times 2, that is negative 24y double prime. 48 times 6 times y, that is positive 288y. 18 times y prime times 3 ay positive 54y prime. Okay? Simplify natin. So, ang 18y prime, y double prime plus, bakit plus? Kasi minus times negative 24. So, 18 plus 24, kaya naging 42y double prime. Okay, ang ating y prime, 96 minus 54y prime. So, that is 42y prime. Sunod, ang y natin, negative 216 minus 288y. So, that is negative 504y. Now, times natin ng 1 over 42. Okay? So, 1 over 42 multiply natin. And the answer is y double prime plus y prime minus 12y equals 0. So, this is our final answer. Okay? So, ganun lang din ang rule ha. Kung ilan po ang ating given na arbitrary constant, ganun lang po ang ating gagawin. Kung ganun lang po ang pagkuha natin ng derivatives. Alright, this is your activity to answer. I hope you learned from this video lesson. At naway tangkilikin ninyo ang papanonood at pag-aaral using our platform at itong ating YouTube channel. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. God bless you.